Hello, good evening, friends. How are you? Today is my fifth day. I am creating a video through mobile, and before 4 days, I have creating my video through laptop. So now a much more clarity is there. So also one my sharing that video. So also you suggest me one my friends Puneet. So also called me and means giving some suggestions. Means your video quality is very poor. So also that time I told my means I using that mobile. So that mobile is front camera is my very worst. Means not means clarity is there also. So that's why also today I have one second mobile is there. So also I think all day I creating my video through mobile itself only. And this mobile is Samsung A70. I using this one back camera, not using the front camera. So this one I daily I creating video because my English is not as well as good. Means nowadays I have to improving my spoken English because I have so many faces problem facing in for the taking a job as well as interacting and with people's interacting with some friends and some meetings are there, so I can't presenting that time. So that's why I have problem. And also I this is previously I am not realizing that of much means also so many requirements are there in spoken English only because you know English very well, so your thinking power is also very good, and also your thinking power is very good, so you can achieve something means you can earn more and more for means in you are in top level. You don't know English, so you have can't survive so all over the world, and also as well as all the inside the country. Means north side is a not problem facing because north side all the peoples are speaking Hindi only, but in south side, just now I am living in Bangalore, so here all the peoples means like malls anything is there, so you don't know English, so you have so many problem facing, and also you have to realizing means you have to means you have to low level of the man because you don't know English. So you have first of all, who are you? Means means I just at that time I'm telling I am a software engineer. So that I'm thinking means he is software engineer and he don't know English, so how can he surviving all over the world and all over the country itself. So that time means our energetic power is means also getting low. Nowadays I am realizing means I can speak. How I am speaking it doesn't matter, means it matter it means means how the greedy for the ambitions, and how is that means also I can improving myself. So also I am believing in God. So God is also everywhere. God is also everywhere. And sorry for the interruption, because my camera in the these places. So that's why means getting now I am this one in the right way. And also that means everywhere God is there. And also you can achieving something. So God is also means also means also realizing, means that person also doing means also honest in work, and always time you have he is improving, and he is also working hard in thinking positive also. Means also first of all, and discipline is also he is also doing something, means also practicing and speaking solo video, creating video, uploading, that's it. Mean that much of mean fluent getting more and more knowledge. Means also it means I realizing, means daily I have learn means also means also study 50 words only. So also a month I have in vocabulary I got it in 1500 vocabulary. And also realizing means also 4 5 per month. So that time also I also go on track, because now you previously means also I realizing one thing also. Also my ambitions, and also I in my driving a car. That time first day means I driving a car. That time I am not riding means correctly. But nowadays I so many means 1 and 2 4 5 years I have drive car. So as of now my driving skill is very much best. And I also because that I practice so many times, and I driving means everywhere and every road. Means I as of now my driving skill is best. And also I nothing to have to that time I any car I have taking. That time uh, I nothing to means I problem is there. So I means all the means cars, means any car which I have, then I can drive easily. And that time I am not nervousing, means how can means in traffic. So also I can in my problems is there. So nothing problems happen for me. And also nowadays I am thinking for the in English. So nowadays I am speakly and telling something. So I don't know how I am speaking, but I know one day I can speak fluently, because I realizing means I practicing daily and daily. You have doing daily something, means also you practice more and more. So you can one day achieve and you can in top level. Means I realizing, means in childhood I that time I am studying, means that time only one word. Nowadays I know all the things, but I have problem is there. Means I can't this one means also serialize the sentences. Means na English is not a very hard subject. English is a language. Means I can realize English is a language, and I can speak daily. So I also making the sentences daily basis. So and also this one means also nowadays I speak means something means which word I have to means which place I have to means replacing means I don't know, but nowadays I am learning stage, beginner stage. So beginners have nothing problem, because beginners have problem, that's why I am speaking. Means I know very well English, that not also that much of creating the video and uploading the in YouTube platform, and suggesting for the any stranger people. Means nowadays not my English is not good, that's why I have to facing so many problems. I am not speaking, so I am in speaking with a stranger, discussing something and describing something, that time I am stucking sometimes, because I have not in vocabulary all types of in mind, and also I know all the words, but which word I have to give, and which word to I have to serialize, and which word which place I have to give. So that is the problem. So that's why I speaking always and fluency based. Means you also all of my beloved friends. So also you suggest me how means nowadays means I can speaking. So you have only one person, so you can motivate me. Means nowadays I don't know English, that's why I creating video. So you are not supporting me, so how can improve myself? Because I am greedy for ambitions. Means I have so 14 years before I have that time also realizing, means I speaking in English in, means also I have speaking English in fluent, but nowadays not correct it. But in nowadays I realizing so many watching the podcast video, and all the means Priyanka Chopra, Karisma ma'am, and so many means platforms I watching the video, and realizing all the people are just telling something. Means also you have to speak in front of mirror, and always you have to practice more and more, then you can improve. And also in my friends Abhishek Chandra. So also I discussing if any words in any means always in means every word speak in English only. And today I have spoke with my friends Puneet Upadhyay. He is also staying in Delhi, and also I am discussing and with at means 52 minutes itself. Means also discussing something for the family lives, and now going which type of your scenario, how can you managing in your life nowadays, what are you doing, means all the topics yeah, you ask him, and I also this one answered all these type of question. That time also means also giving so many suggestions. You can going for the means nowadays you are doing well, and also you carry on, bro. So I am also motivated and realizing, so also I have energetic in mind, so I can doing something one day. I can achieve something. That time I have improving my skills. So also I realizing means, and in mind realizing means I doing something, and also I can achieving. Nowadays also I have to improving my skills, means I don't know English, means also I know, but which word I have to giving, and which word I have to presenting at a time. So that the problem for me. But don't worry, friends. I one day I am in top levels. You can also this one motivate, and also this one wishes for me, because I am also believing in God, and also I praying in Kanha, means also Jai Sri Krishna. So also realizing and praying means one day in top levels, and I have all the things I have, because I am struggling in childhood, because in as of now in childhood, so many I have problem facing. How can I describing me next step, means also tomorrow I will describing on my lives, how I am struggling, and all the lives nowadays also I am struggling, means I have so many problems are there, means I can always not thinking in negative, always time I thinking positive, and also believing in God, means God is there, and also he is taking care. So that's all. Means also I means also in ending of my words, and also I want to this one getting for your wishes, and you have also informing, means also you have suggesting me, means how can I nowadays I am means improving, then means which type of also I can improving, which platform, and which what I have to correcting, so you can motivate me, all my friends. Now nowadays I am going I am struggling, so I am a beginner level. Thanks all of my beloved friends. Bye bye. Good night. So always time always supporting me, because you are not supporting, so I can't survive in life, and also I am not improving myself. That's all my word. That's I thinking. Thanks. Bye bye.